Hi there, Shauna Lynn Simon here from Beyond the Stage Homes, and I'm coming to you actually from an IKEA showroom. And here's the reason why I wanted to do this. I wanted to show you guys a little bit about what IKEA does that you can be doing in your home. If you've ever gone to IKEA, you've seen the fact that they kind of sell you on the whole experience of what it would be like to buy all their stuff and bring it back to your house. So I always think that if I buy everything they have in these drawers at IKEA and I bring it home, I'm gonna end up just as organized as all of these cupboards look, right? Take a look at these. They got so many great systems for organizing everything. Check this out. So I feel like if I just bought that tray and I bought that container and I bought the little slide out thing here, that I would be as organized as this kitchen is. I absolutely love what they've done with this little office desk here with the pegboard and the containers here for storing things away. So here's the thing, when you're selling your home, it's kind of the same thing that IKEA is doing. You're selling people on how they think they're going to live in their home, not necessarily how they actually live in their home. Most of us don't live like this, but we think if we buy all this stuff, we will live here. That's what we want to do when you're selling your house. We want to set it up so that when buyers come through, they feel as though if they buy your home, they're going to have as beautiful as a home as you're showing them. So we want to make sure we're putting all the functional items away. We want to organize all of the closets and the cupboards and all those hidden areas and take all the clutter out of sight for your buyers. And we want to create an experience for them. So when they come into your home, they fall in love with it and with the whole lifestyle that they're going to have when they move in. So take a page out of IKEA's catalog and set up your home for success when you sell it.